Hi everyone, Heather from Idaho Scrapbook Show here again, showing you another subscription box. We received a bloom box from Fun Stamper's Journey. If you have never heard of them, oh my goodness, you need to go online and look them up because they are an amazing company. They are direct sales. They're fairly new, but they have some amazing things. So I'm going to show you this bloom box. I have not looked yet to see what's in it, so I'm very excited. So this is for obviously July. I'm going to open this up. So your bloom box will come with full instructions on how to make the cards and the products in the box. These are full color instructions with, it gives you supplies you need, it gives you some tips, and then it gives you the full instructions on how to assemble these cards and how to make them. So this is really nice to have. Wow. So you can make things with that. You get a full stamp set with your box. So you can use, and this is so cute. Look at that. And it's a 3-step or 4-step stamp set. That's really nice. You get envelopes, and then with your box you get all the supplies you need to make cards already pre-cut, all the supplies you need to make 4 different cards. Very nice. It's nice to have everything pre-cut. So I really am excited to start working on these cards. So go to their website. We'll link it below. You can take a look at the different options for their bloom boxes. You can also order previous months if you want. And take a look, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more kit ideas.